my name is Cheryl Gladue.
I'm Michaela Wujek.
We're part of a Concordia group that formed today to initiate a couple projects. You'll hear another one later this evening, I guess. I'm going to present to you the Better Bin, which is a concept we developed today. The problem we wanted to solve was one that Michaela brought. She's working on sustainability issues here at Concordia, and I'm a PhD student working on design for behavior change. And one big issue at Concordia, and in a lot of places, let's be frank, is that a lot of people don't know how to use the sorting, so for compostables, recycling, and that sort of thing. And Concordia has a compostable project here, but a lot of people, 80% of the compostable materials don't end up in the compost, they end up in some other bin. So we're looking for a way to solve that problem. And informational campaigns have been used, and they're generally found to be ineffective, so we thought, what could we do to help with that? And the objectives for today were pretty basic. We wanted to jumpstart a design project. So it's a small project that we want to be able to try out and prototype here at Concordia. And so we worked on the concept development. And we wanted the prototype to be playful and engaging and educational, but not just in an informational way. We wanted to look at designing something interactive and playful that would encourage people to behave in a more sustainable fashion. So we were focusing on something that was testable and self-contained so that we could put it in any number of places, and something that we could prototype, try it out, see how it worked, use it as a bit of a research project in addition to being something that might be useful for a lot of different places. And so we came up with something called the Better Bin, which is a sort of innocuous-looking recycling center. But as you approach it, there'll be sensors in the bottom, like we could have some infrared proximity sensors that once you get close to it would light up the system, a series of panels that will engage with you in a much more dynamic fashion. It would indicate where the compost is, where the recycling is, where the garbage is. And if you put stuff in the right spot, for instance, the recycling or the compost, which are the most common things that we are throwing out, you get rewarded by an image that shows how much is in there. So if there's a little bit in there, it's a seed that's germinating. If there's a lot more, it grows. And as you contribute to the compost, for example, you might see a sunny sunflower. So that's the basics of it. And so we looked at the development of this conceptual Better Bin today. That's what we did. We developed some of the visual cues. We initiated some of the technical components that would need to go into this concept, and we looked for a list of places we might look to place this here at Concordia. There's a number of places it might be suitable for. And then we identified some potential funding to allow us to develop this initial prototype. So that's what we did in about 2 hours, let's say. And then we worked on another project as well. So that's what we did today, and that's all I have to say. Thank you very much.